した。お持ち帰りです。31番でおやりします。はい、ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございます。
さっきから片足上げて泳いでますね。
そうなんですね。
寒いのかな。水の中に片足ずつ上げて干してんのかわかんない。
かわいい。
紅葉と撮りたくてね。
ああ、すごい綺麗。
うん
ああ、光がいいですね。
ね。
ああ。
If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you. I hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas, I don't know what to do. Most of the times I think I'll make it through, but all that it takes is one image of you and it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows. It hurts just a little when I'm with my friends and we drink till we're done. Yeah. So I can't remember how it would feel to wake up in that bed right beside you. All of the memories I tried to erase just comes back when I'm sober and I see that face and it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows because it shivers. It's cold and it's dark without you in my arms. Yeah, it shivers, it hurts.
りました。
レシートをお受け取りください。ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございます。
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.